Talk about how can you change your password on your Novelton app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on my down here, just click on it. You just click here on mine here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this in your profile. Then all you have to do next, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. You click in this sign here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on account and security here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on change password, you just click on it here. So then here enter your email address and the verification code. You click on next, then it's going to take you to add or change your password on your Novelton app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.